Hi guys, welcome to another Ballet for tutorials. Today you're going to be learning a short choreography for all levels. You will first learn 3 different ballet skills, and right at the end you're going to be able to join them with music in a short choreography. So get ready and let's start now. So as a first skill, you're going to learn to do a ballet row or a reverence. And for that you're going to get your right leg nice and turned out. Your left leg is going to be bent a little bit on the back, and your two knees are going to be together. You can either have your toes flex or point. Now, we are not going to rest all the way back. We're going rather being slightly forward and your body weight over the supporting leg. After learning that position, you're only going to do slightly bent of your knee or a demi-plie. Your torso lower, slightly forward and recover back. Now from this position, you're going to have your arms on allongé. You're going to do petit développé and left arm, left leg open together. Transfer your body weight over the actioning leg. Pas de main tendue to the side with your right leg. Go to the back, bow and stretch. Our next skill, we are going to learn to do piqué turns in coupé. So for that you're going to do nice and turn out, base leg, pas de main tendue in front with your right leg, arms on third position, and with demi-plie we are going to do demi-run to the side, arm and leg open together. We are going to transfer body weight over the toes of the supporting leg, and my left leg goes coupé to the back. One more time. Demi-plie open together, coupé, piqué. Perfect. Now we have to add the turn. And for that you have to focus on the supporting leg heel, pushing forward so that you can get a really nice dynamic turn. Let's do it. Third position, arms, demi-plie, open and turn, plie. And our third ballet skill is going to be chaine. Chaine is a turn over both legs in first position where your legs are joined together and never separate. And to me the best way to learn chaine is by doing half of a turn at the time, and then slowly you just increase the dynamic and speed of your turns. Now that you know the 3 basic ballet skills, let's begin with our choreography. Right diagonal on the back, classical pose, left leg on the back, right leg nice open and turn out, arms on your hips, no arms coordination yet. And with the music we wait 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do classical walks 1 and 2, 3, piqué fifth position, right leg in front, coupé to the back with your left leg. We're going to do petit développé and walk, doing a left turn, classical pose, left leg on the back. From here we're going to do petit développé to the side, tendu that change with right leg to the side, classical, reverence, stay. From here we're going to do petit développé, piqué coupé, plie, one turn, plie. And we are going to do a circle. We are going to repeat that 3 times. Piqué, plie, turn, plie. Last time, piqué, plie. And now we are going to move towards the right diagonal in front of us. We're going to do chaine, 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 chassé, tendu, left leg on the back. From here we are going to do balance, balance, petit développé to the side, torso is slightly towards the leg, fouette that ends in arabesque, left leg on the back. We are going to lift en l'air, piqué fifth position, left leg in front, and we are moving towards the left diagonal behind us. Pas de main tendue facing the left diagonal, demi-plie, first position, and we are going to do grand fouette. From this demi-plie, we are going to do détourné, classical pose, petit développé open to the side, plie coupé to the back, and we are going to do tombe, pas de bourrée, plie, left leg in front, right leg is going to do pas de chat. That ends in plie coupé to the back. Pas de bourrée, changing a spot. Right now we do plie towards the left diagonal. One more. Towards the right diagonal, plie. And we walk to the back. One step. 2 step, petit développé, pose. So remember that you can always pause the video, go back, review everything part 1, 2, and then you can join me because now I'm going to continue with arms coordination. Classical pose, left leg on the mat, right leg nice and open, arms on allongé. And we walk 1, 2, 3, demi-plié, piqué 5th position, coupé to the back, and walk, 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 walk. Classical pose. Same arm and same leg open, arms on allongé, bow, stretch. Next we have demi-plié, piqué, arms on 3rd position, arms in 1st position while turning. And repeat again, 3rd position and 1st position turning. 3rd position plié and chaine, arms in 1st position. Chasse, arms on allongé of 4th position. Balance, 3rd position. Look to the opposite side that we are doing the balance. Same leg, same arm. Fouette to 1st arabesque. Demi-plié, arms on allongé. Demi-plié, arms on 2nd. Brava, 1st, 5th, and ends in 4th arabesque. So when we do fouette en l'air, we have left leg in front, arms on 2nd position, demi-plié, brava, 1st, 5th, and 4th arabesque. After we finish in 4th arabesque, we have détourné, arms in 5th position, classical pose. Open, plié arms in brava, tombe my arms, open, 1, 2, 3, pas de chat, arms in 5th position, plié, pas bourré, plié, pas bourré, plié. Relax your arms and goes back, back, classical pose.